Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a rice and Play-Doh sensory tub for children that you can give as a gift for Valentine's Day. Hey guys, I'm excited to share with you this first DIY rice and Play-Doh sensory tubs that you can give as gifts. Today's theme is all about Valentine's Day. And I'm going to show you how I put together these tubs that you could use for kids' birthday parties as party favors, as a teacher to give your class, as a parent for your child to bring to their class for Valentine's gifts, or just for you to make to use with your own child. These are very easy and simple to pull together, and to make it even easier for you, I have found very similar items to what I'm going to show you today on Amazon that you can order directly from the links in the description. To start off, I found these tubs. These tubs I got from IKEA, but there are a lot of different options that you could use. You could even use the craft or toolboxes that you see with the different compartments. To get started, you're going to want to make your Play-Doh and your rice. I found a very simple Play-Doh recipe online. I will post a link to that recipe in the description as well. It was very simple to make with things you probably already have around your home already. This recipe used flour, salt, cream of tartar, food coloring, and water. You can add your food dye in while you are making the Play-Doh. I did not do this because I wanted to go ahead and make two different colors, and so I just made it all white and added the food dye in later on. When I added the food dye, I just put a little dye in and kneaded it into the dough until it was the color I wanted it to be. Since this is a Valentine's box, I made white and pink. If you wanted to add red, you could go ahead and keep adding that food dye to make it a darker color. For your rice, there are different ways to do rice. Some recipes have you add some sort of alcohol or vinegar and the dye as well, but for mine, I just went ahead and added the food dye directly into the rice because when I mixed it all together, I love the way that it made different shades and colors with the red, pink, and white, and I wanted that mixture in this Valentine's box. Once those things are done, you can wrap your Play-Doh in saran wrap and set it aside to build your box. Alright, now let's talk about the things you can put in your box. For this Valentine's box, I mainly went with the red, pink, or white colors, but I also threw a few other things in that were fun to play with. To start off, I found a little bouquet of flowers at a local craft store, and then I cut off the flowers so that they would be able to stick them in the Play-Doh and play with them like that. Next, I also found these little wooden pieces that were in the shape of a flower. The fun thing about these is when you push them into the Play-Doh, they make a fun flower print, and they're easy to use. Another fun thing were these heart jewels that you could use to stick in the Play-Doh or make heart prints in the Play-Doh as well. At a dollar store nearby, I also found these vase fillers that are sparkly and fun to play with that you could throw in as well. I also thought these teddy bears were a really cute addition to the Valentine set. And last but not least, these little linking pieces. These came in Valentine colors because I found them at a local Target in the dollar spot, but you can also buy these off Amazon in different colors as well. And again, links to items similar to what I'm showing you here are going to be listed in the description so you can order them straight from there and easily have them shipped to you. Once you have all your items, it's super easy to put these things together. You're going to take your wrapped Play-Doh, set it in the box first, and then place all the items that you're going to use to play with the Play-Doh in the remaining hole. Once you have all the items placed, you can close the lid. For Valentine's Day, you can add a little Valentine's card to the top. And there you have a gift for a Valentine's Day party or just for your kiddo to play with at home. For your rice tub, the kids are going to have a set of rice in a baggie, and then all the items will go on top of the rice or beside it. For this tub, you may also want to get some scoops or some small cups that the kids can play with in the rice as well. The kids will play with this rice tub by putting the rice in the bottom of the tub and putting all the items in the rice to play with. And again, once it's all set and packed, you can add a little Valentine card to the top and you've got a great gift. Thanks for watching this video on a Play-Doh and rice sensory tub gift idea. If you have any comments or suggestions on themed boxes that you would like to see, leave me a comment below. And if you'd like to see videos on other ideas, art, activity, things for your classroom, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.